Students and faculty, I'm going to show you how to install 3DsMax on your computer from Autodesk itself. I sent you already the link with the username and the password. We will go to Google. 3D Max download. We will choose the student and educators. It gives us 3 years education license. Sign in. This is my account. I sent you different account. You can get inside by this account because this is mine. After you put the username and the password, it will open the downloading page. You have to wait. Okay, now we will choose the license type. We will choose it will be deploy without network server, and the version is 3DsMax 2018, the same one which we use in our computer labs in the college. Operating system 64-bit, and the language it will be in English. Here it shows to us the license and the product key. We will choose download now. It's downloading the downloader manager. Here it's done. We will open it. This way we will do the same with AutoCAD and Revit. If you know about these steps, so it's easy to do the same with AutoCAD and with Revit. So no need to make videos for AutoCAD or Revit because this is all are the same steps, except only when you search. I will send also you the link for direct AutoCAD and Revit, and you will do the same steps. You log in with email and password, and you choose the same deploy without network, the version, what you want, and the language, and the system, and everything is the same. Now we have to wait until this progressing finish. Autodesk programs, usually it takes time, takes long time, so you have to be patient and you have to wait. I make it easier also for you by entering the website itself to download it by this way. This is the easiest way you can install the Autodesk programs. If the video stopped working, I will continue with another part. Here it's finished and we will press yes. It asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course, yes. I agree.